Did you know that, even though your skin has acne, there are hydrating oils that can help you control your oil production and improve your condition? Today's video will discuss moisturizing oils for each skin type. 1. Normal skin. If you don't know what your skin is like, you probably have normal skin. Those who have a problem need to wait to treat it with the right products. If your skin is normal, you can try the different oil options and choose the one you like the most. Jojoba, Shea, and olive oil are best for the normal skin. 2. Dry and older skins. People who have dry skin need to take care of it all the time. This is because a lack of hydration is the main cause of skin aging. If it isn't moisturized, your skin loses more and more water. Because of this, older skins usually need a hydrating oil that gives their skin elasticity and firmness. The most recommended oils are as follows: almond oil, very nutritious, rich in vitamin E, and very inexpensive. Shea butter, excellent for older and devitalized skins. Avocado oil, rich in fatty acids, it gives brightness and rejuvenates your skin. Musk rose, this oil increases your skin's regeneration and has a great healing power. You can choose one of them or combine them. 3. Oily skins. Oily skin is very common during adolescence. It is characterized by a larger production of oil. This gives your skin a shiny appearance. This oil gives you a protective barrier against external agents. But it usually makes you look dirty, and in some cases, can cause impurities and acne. We recommend using jojoba oil. This has a texture similar to your skin's natural oil, and it has a great regulatory ability. For mixed skins are characterized by an excess of oil in the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. This kind of skin also has a lack of hydration in your cheeks. This makes it difficult to use a single lotion. We can make a balancing oil with 2 ingredients, extra virgin coconut oil and lavender oil. Both regulate your skin. They also increase your skin's natural ability to make the right amount of oil. 5. Delicate and sensitive skins. We always need to treat delicate and sensitive skins with a lot of care. This skin can react to any synthetic or natural component. This is also a skin that easily reddens and can even get wrinkles easily. The best hydrating oil for this kind of skin is marigold oil. It both calms and regulates your skin. Also, it can be combined with aloe vera. Both have beneficial properties for reducing irritation and itching. Which method do you like for your skin? Let me know in our comment section below.